My question is simple, Rio Fahmi. Uh, when you play against Uzbekistan, some players look nervous, and against Iraq, how do you overcome this nervous feeling? Because you said this is very important as a bridge to the Olympics for the first time in 68 years. Thank you.
Um, for tomorrow's, I think I prepare for ourselves. How I can to give my best performance for tomorrow, and coach give me minutes play, and I don't want to I don't want give a coach bad performance, but I want to give best performance for tomorrow, so I can put everything on the pitch for sure, and I can help for teammates, and inshallah Indonesia wins tomorrow and make Indonesian people proud.